Hi everybody, it's Laura. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. Today I have an unboxing of the June My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition Kit. First, I'm going to show you all the papers that we received since I think that the papers set the tone for the rest of the kit, and then I'll show you all of the other embellishments that we got. I'm going to start out with this beautiful paper from 49 and Market. It has a white background. There's lots of text, some splatters, and then there's also this really beautiful butterfly. I love the touches of yellow. On the other side, we have this pattern paper. It has some butterflies and lots of daisies. This pattern paper also has a white background. I love the way there are some elements along the borders. I love the brownish splatters, and then the clustering and layering is already done for you in the middle. On the other side is this really pretty craft colored paper. There are lots of images of leaves and birds in the background. Here's another paper that has a really great cluster in the middle with the pocket and the library card. Well, I think it's a pocket, maybe it's just some layered papers. And then it once again has some splatters and a watercolor wash in the background. I love the doily, and there's lots and lots of stitching, which I will probably stitch over. And then I love this paper. I love the blue that's broken into two parts with the almost like a paper bag or a craft paper look behind this paper. Really, really cool. And I think it's very different. Here's a more traditional page. It has that brownish background with some splattering over here, and then it has some flowers. I love the combination of the blue and the yellow, and I love the butterfly. On the other side, we have this really gorgeous paper. I absolutely love this background. I love these touches of white and the text, and then the all different shades of the color blue. Really, really cool. Here we have another page that has a similar look with the blues and the greens in the background with some text. And then this page has some flowers on either side, and once again, a really beautiful butterfly. On the other side, we have this really pretty green paper. You could see hints of newspaper peeking out from behind it. This paper has that craft colored background and lots of daisies. I love the way the daisies just pop against that darker background. And then on the other side, we have this pattern with the tan color and the white with the text on it. Here's another beautiful page with another beautiful background, flowers, a butterfly. This one has a dragonfly, and then there are some more images over here in this corner. And on the other side, we have this brown or beige check. And yet another gorgeous paper that has some beautiful flowers. These are yellow. We have a few more butterflies on this page. And then on the other side, we have this gorgeous paper with all of these dots in the background in all different colors, hints of text. Really, really cool page. Here we have some different flowers, and we have the clusters in, or the images in different corners. Once again, we have some butterflies. We have the text in the background. And on the other side, we have this green that has lots of variation with some stripes going down it. Here we have a cut apart sheet. There's a whole bunch of, well, 12 to be exact, 3x4-inch cards. And last time we got a 49 and Market collection, I fussy cut out a lot of the images, the labels, and the butterflies, some of the titles and words, and I got a lot of use out of this paper. And then on the other side, we have a page very much like that green page with lots of variation, but this one is different tones of blue, and then we have the diagonal stripes going through this page. This paper is from Asuka Studios. This has this really cool door on this side, and then I love the clustering of elements on this side. I see there's a doily and a postmark. It's just a really cool paper. And then on the other side is this gorgeous, gorgeous page with some yellow and blue flowers. There's also this tealish color, kind of a wash in the background. I just think that's so stunning. And then finally, we have this Bow Bunny paper. This one has some yellow flowers with green leaves on the front. And then a really pretty pink paper on the back. And this page would be great for mounting things on, or for any place where you need something that's a little bit more neutral, which goes really well with all of those beautiful pattern papers. So those are all of the papers, and now I'm going to move on to the other elements that we get in the June kit. In the June kit, we received this cut file. It says, "Enjoy the journey." I love these very petite flowers on the top and the bottom, and I love that this is already cut out for you, and it's all ready to be backed and put onto your page. We also got this Simple Stories basket weave stencil. This should go really well with the papers in this collection. I'm looking forward to trying that one out. So to go along with the 49 and Market papers, we received the laser cut elements. These are all of the laser cut elements that we get in this pack. I think it's a little bit easier to get an idea of what they look like when you could see the actual sheets. So I'll show those to you in a moment. First, I just wanted to show you the other side of the packaging, where 49 and Market always includes some cut apart pieces. We have lots of really great things here. We have a clock, some flowers, a butterfly. I love this branch. We have a ticket. Here's a stamp. And then we have this layering piece, some other cards, and then we have this envelope with a postmark on it on the bottom. This first sheet has lots of great images. I really love these pots of flowers. I like the way they're at two different sizes. I'm not sure exactly what these are. Are they frames? They are really cool. I could see putting an element in the middle. Could be a picture. It could be any image that we have in this set. And then we have this branch, another branch with leaves. There are a number of sentiments. We have stamps. Here's a cluster of, looks like, file folders and letters. And then we have this cluster here as well. It almost looks like a specimen card. It has a camera over here, and then we have a window with some more stamps, some flowers, a clock, and then lots of bows as well. Also, I forgot to mention there's a frame right there, which I'm sure I'm going to use. These two sheets have these beautiful lace borders. You could use those along the edge of something, or you can incorporate it into a cluster. We have more sentiments, although these are on little strips that have stitching on the top. Some tags, more sentiments, a ticket. Here we have a pocket watch, not a stopwatch, a pocket watch, more bows. Here are some tags. I love this layering piece with the doily on the edge. Here's a ticket, and then these are some different types of tickets. And then we have a flower, a dragonfly, a butterfly, and also a button. So many cool things to include on those pages. We also received this ephemera pack. There are 114 die cut shapes in here. I think this is a great companion to the laser cut elements. So just like with the laser cut elements, I think it's easier to get an idea of what's in the pack if I take everything out. So I'll be right back. These are all of the pieces that we received in the ephemera kit. I'm going to start over here with the tabs in 4 different colors. We also have a lot of labels. These have some stripes on the top, and then we have some that are a little more plain over here. These have the angled edges. These have some rounded edges. We also have some small frames, and then in the centers of the frames, they have embellishments. This one is for you to add your own sentiment to, but there are also frames that have some pre-made embellishments in the center. I love using these little frames, not necessarily for photos, but just as decoration or to add another element to the page. We have some tags. We have some larger, kind of traditionally shaped rectangular tabs. I love all of the beautiful watercolor look in the background. And then we have some round tags in a number of different colors. Up here we have some really pretty butterflies and some bees as well. There's a dragonfly. And 49 and Market often includes tickets in their collections, so we have two different types of tickets here in the different colors. Here we have another larger type of ticket. Oh, and then there's one more of that first type of ticket. So lots of tickets to use. Also some envelopes. There are brown envelopes and blue ones. You can see there's two different styles. So each of the styles comes in 3 different colors. In the center, we have some larger elements. We have this poem called The Flower Garden. And then there are some big pieces that you can layer as elements on your pages. Some of them look like ledgers or tickets, and some of them have some writing on them. That one looks like maybe a seed packet. So a little postcard. And these are just all great as little elements to put behind your photos, or if you're making a journal, you could layer those together on the pages of your journal. And you can see that they all kind of go with a gardening or outdoor theme. Then we have a branch and some flowers. And then there are lots and lots of sentiments too. We have these sentiments up here that are on rectangles. Then we have these that are cut on longer strips that kind of look like tickets. We have these smaller sentiments. Here we have some sentiments that are inside of plates. And then we have these really cute, quite a few of them actually, these really cute sentiments. I love these rounded edges. And then these ones that are on a little bit of a swirl here or a curve, and I like using these a lot on the pages. So that's everything that we got, lots and lots of images. Finally, I think my very favorite part of the kit each month is the packs of flowers. This month we got 3 packs of little birdie flowers that are coordinated beautifully to the pattern papers and embellishments. This first pack has some smaller flowers with some really beautiful centers. I love this one with the pearl with the jewels around it, but they all have really pretty either jewels, or these slightly larger ones have gold centers. Really, really gorgeous. I also love the way there are some leaves on those flowers. This second pack has a variety of different colors. There are some melon flowers, kind of a bluish green, almost like a mint green flower, and then there are some deep yellow flowers as well. In the background, there are some tiny flowers that are on stems. Then we have some medium-sized flowers and then some larger ones, and there are some leaves in the background too. Finally, we have this pack of all yellow flowers, but they're not all the same color. There are some different shades of yellow within this pack. We have some lighter ones, and then we have some medium yellows, and then we have almost a mustard yellow here. That was everything that we received in this month's kit. Your kit should be on the way to you soon. If you're not currently a subscriber to My Creative Scrapbook and you would like to know more about subscribing to the limited edition or any of the other kits that they offer, you can take a look in the description box where there's a link to the My Creative Scrapbook website, and you can get all the information you need to subscribe to any one of the kits. If you just want to check out some of the layouts that are made using these kits, you can take a look at the My Creative Scrapbook social media. Every day there are new layouts being posted to the Instagram account, and there are some really beautiful designs. So that's everything that I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.